Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm May from the May Review team. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you. Discover everything you need to know about this product, what it actually is, its awesome features, a detailed guide on how to use it, how to turn it into an income stream, and of course, my personal experience with it. I also include the product pricing and discount coupons with all the additional upgrade offers, so you don't need to go anywhere else to get the information. Wait, we're not done yet. As a big thank you to all my valued viewers, and especially to those who choose to grab this product through my website or this video, I've lined up a treasure trove of mind-blowing bonuses. Trust me, they're totally worth it. They will help with your online marketing career. You'll find all the details at the end of the product review article on my website. Just follow that link in the description and prepare to be amazed. And hey, if you want those exclusive bonuses to be yours, send me a message to bonusesfromme@gmail.com. I promise to deliver them within a lightning-fast 24 hours. Alright, let's get started exploring the product.
Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal Downs here, and first of all I want to say a massive welcome to you to the sales page for Passive Mastery. Now here at Passive Mastery we understand that not everyone has the experience, the time or the skills to be able to set up a full internet marketing system from start to finish. So we came together, myself, Bill and Max, we came together and we asked ourselves what is the best way that we can get our students to make passive income without them needing experience, skills, tech skills or anything like that. And we came up with the Passive Mastery system, and that's exactly what we've created for you here. We've created a passive income system that's going to allow you to get paid initially up to $150 per day, but it will also allow you to get paid every single month, time and time again, in a totally passive recurring income style, without needing any experience, without needing any tech skills or anything like that, in a very, very simple format. So if you go below this video, you're going to see the join button. I want you to go right there and hit the join button right now, and we will see you inside the members area in just a moment, and we can't wait to work with you to show you this very, very simple newbie friendly method that's going to be able to make you passive income online without any experience whatsoever.